Hey everybody, welcome back to NSB Custom Cars. On this episode, we're going to be putting my map sensor in my Superbee. I got my new one in, and we're going to see if we can't get it put on, take care of the problem we're having. It's wanting to put too much gas in, and every time we turn the key on, it gives us a reading that changes back and forth, but it should be stabilized like at 100. So we're going to put it in. So if you want to know how to put a map sensor in a Fast 2.0 system, this will be the video. So let me get the car pulled around and we'll get started on it. So I've got the Superbee in here. I'm going to put this map sensor on. And as you can see, this is my throttle body here. I've already got the fuel lines took off, everything took off where I can lift it up. She's wired in still, so I'm just going to flip it over here. Pretty much this is our map sensor here. I've already took the little screw out that goes on here. So pretty much it comes out, but I pulled it out and I wanted y'all to see this. Got a big chunk of rubber missing. Got a big chunk of rubber, and that piece of rubber is up in the hole. Could be blocking the hole. This is my new map sensor, so you can see the difference. Nice. Ah, keeps going back up in there. Don't want to come out. Well, I dropped it anyway. So here's my new one. Let's double check that hole. Nope, there's still another piece in there.
Does it not come up in? Is that where that hole goes? Right in there? Make sure that hole's clear.
That's where this piece of rubber's at. It's in that hole. It's stuck in there. We need to...
At least that's encouraging.
Sucked it up in there.
Like that's where it's
I
going.
tried to get it out and it went up in that hole, so we're going to have to see if I can't get some air and blow it out.
There it goes.
It came out then. Now she's clear. Yeah. See? Look in that hole. Put the camera in there.
Yep.
So you can see the hole is clear. Did it go down in here or did it come out somewhere?
Yeah, it flew back into the radiator.
That has to be the problem, Lee.
Yep.
So the hole for the mass air sensor was clogged. Hopefully that was my problem.
Everybody fast has ever seen that.
Put that there. Now the daunting part of getting this screw back in. Where was that screw at? Just right here? Ooh, that's gonna be fun.
So this is what a year-long ordeal turned out to be a
Well, we don't know yet.
$65 sensor. Or actually, it wasn't the sensor that's probably bad. It's dang a 10-cent piece of rubber that goes around the sensor.
It's down pretty low. It would be nice if I could get that to go like that and go in. Let me see. I don't think I can, but I can't get it to start with it out. Yeah, that's a lot better that way.
See?
And the head just holds it. I'm coming back out, blowing it back out.
back together.
So we got her back together. That was pretty quick. Wasn't too bad. Ain't going up and down at this point. Yeah, a little bit. Well, we got the map sensor put on. We fired it up. It still seems like it's getting a little bit too much gas. So we're probably going to end up trying a program that Fast had sent us for a different car. And when we were talking back and forth to them, they said, put it in, see what it does. And plus we need to drive it down the road. It's getting late in the day. I'm not going to mess with it today. But hopefully that little chunk of rubber being missing, stuck in the hole, definitely had the map sensor not working correctly because it was obstructed on the hole. So there's no way that could have been working right. But other than that, we'll hopefully get it running decent. So maybe on the when we do it for a test ride or something, we'll do a little video. Next project, I gotta get back on this car here for a minute. But so don't forget to like us, subscribe. Until next time.